What you need to say can feel like a set of abstract rules, but sometimes a single technique can make a huge part of it click into place. Take multiplying two simple expressions, or binomials, like x plus 3 times x plus 5. How do you handle that? The core idea is that every part of the first expression has to interact with every part of the second. To keep track, we use a handy acronym, FOIL: first, outer, inner, last. For x plus 3 times x plus 5, the firsts are x times x, giving x squared. The outers are x times 5, for 5x. The inners are 3 times x, for 3x. And the lasts are 3 times 5, which is 15. Add them all up and simplify the middle terms, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Done! Once you get comfortable with FOIL, you start to see powerful shortcuts. What if you multiply a binomial by itself, like x plus 4 squared? That's just x plus 4 times x plus 4. The outer and inner terms are identical. Both are 4x, so they combine to make 8x. The answer isn't just x squared plus 16, it's a three-term expression, x squared plus 8x plus 16. That middle term is critical. Now, what about x plus 5 times x minus 5? Here, something different happens. The middle terms, a positive 5x and a negative 5x, cancel each other out completely. You're left with just two terms, x squared minus 25. This is the difference of two squares. This skill isn't just for exams. It's fundamental for everything from solving complex equations to modeling the area of a garden whose dimensions have changed. So start with FOIL as your reliable guide. But the real mastery comes from recognizing these patterns, when the middle term doubles and when it vanishes entirely. Get that, and you've unlocked a key piece of algebra.